Hello everyone, get the sides of the hair, tie in the middle the rubber band and have a rubber band attached to the top middle part and create a loop in the middle one. Drop the tail into it and split the tail into two and have each into three parts and have it braided into a thicker manner. Do the same braiding on the right side and secure the end with the rubber band. Move the braid to the top and bend the tip over and secure a little hairpin and drop on your favorite hair cluster in the middle of the rubber band. Make a bunch on the top section of the hair, create a gap onto it using your finger, drop the tail into it, then have a rubber band attach the middle part of the tail, create a loop in the middle part and drop the tail into it, drop the entire tail into the first loop making a heart and shaped lump. Then with the remaining section of the hair along with the tail we have, split them into three equal parts and have it braided. Do the braiding until you reach the bottom and secure the end with the rubber band. Fold the braid to the top and make it there in the middle of the band we have and secure it with the little hairpin, decorate with your lovely hairpin at the sides. Grab a little section of the hair from the left side, have a rubber band attach top middle part and create a loop and drop the tail into it. Do the same for the right side as well. Then combine both the tails together with the rubber band. Then split the tail into two equal parts and have a rubber band attach top middle parts of it and create a loop and drop the tails into it and have it come down making a heart in shape. Then with the remaining section of the hair at the bottom, grab the sides of it and tie it over the tail we have with the rubber band and have a rubber band attach the middle part and create a loop in the middle one, drop the tail into it. Drop the entire tail into its own loop making another heart in shape loop. Then split the remaining section of the hair into two parts and have each of them into three parts and have it braided and make the braid to the top and fold it there and drop it inside the twister band with a little hairpin. Leave a thin strand of hair on either side of the head and make a lovely ponytail out of your gorgeous hair. Then pinch out the hair on the top section to boost out the design. Then with the ponytail we have, split them into two parts and have it twisted across each other, making it into a lovely braid. Do the braiding until you reach the bottom, but don't forget to pinch out the braid, have it rolled into a clockwise direction, making as a bun and hide the tip underneath the bun just now created. And have the whole bun in place by dropping a big black hairpin through it. Then decorate your hairstyle with your lovely hairpin underneath that. Once again, leave a thin strand of hair on either side of the head and make a bunch on the top section of the hair and create a loop on the right side of the top section and have the entire left section of the hair from the back side drop into the loop. Do the same thing for the right side as well with the remaining section of the hair at the middle. Have it split them into three parts and have it into a thicker braid. Secure the end with the rubber band and roll the braid inwards and make it inside the hair. Then drop in your favorite hair cluster on top of that. Grab the sides of the hair, tie in the middle of the rubber and drop the tail into it, making a twister path. Then split the tail into two parts and have each of them into three parts and have it into a thicker braid. Then roll the braid against the right section and make it to the top and make it as a coil. Do the same for the right braid as well. Then with the entire section of the hair at the back, split them into two sections and have each section into three parts and have it into a thicker braid and secure the end with the rubber band. Do the same braiding on the right side as well. Then fold the braid to the top and make it to the opposite side's top part and have it in place by dropping beautiful hair cluster underneath the coil we had. Then decorate a lovely hair cluster in the middle of the pattern. Save a thin strands of hair on either side of the head with the entire section of the hair at the back, twist it against your index finger and make it into a hair roll and hide the tip behind the hair roll we have by dropping beautiful hair cluster. Thank you everyone for watching this video.